It's about a 1/4 inch by 1. I'm going to put that right there. And exactly opposite the other hole is where I'm going to put this hole. And it's magical like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to keep going around, and that'll get your hole on that side, and then you slide it over there, and you get your hole on that side, and then you'll do some holes right here. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes in the bottom of the bucket so that the food can flow out into the pan. And voila! There we go. We've got holes all the way around. So now, we're going to take this, we're going to put our pan right there. I'm undoing a little screw here. So you have one washer on the outside with the nut on the outside. And then when you flip it over, you got your washer on the inside, and you can get your nut on the inside. It's going to start fairly easily. Now this whole thing will corrode just because of the chemicals, just the corn and stuff in general. But now I'm going to pause this.